I want to go no a long time soon, you know, you know. This is the barber clash. Barber clash. Tell the whole of them about the barber clash. Showing the Kingston barber and the town barber clash. You know, say, you know, chipping business, serious thing that got some little barber go once that him got him leave now a new razor. I don't like what you tell you. Barber clash.
A 3 hours is a pressure for you now.
Yeah, but see, from 4 o'clock it start pressure, you know.
And I want to know, 7 o'clock.
So 7 o'clock now, you know.
Still that pressure.
And close.
See that? Whoa,
Soft like sponge.
Tell them all.
It's like sponge, you know what I mean? The sponge up to make you done.
I'm not starting up the other people because the seeds up in the onion and pepper and really night.
No, right,
And the butter being a garden night here.
Yeah.
No, brother.
Yeah, so, you try, you know. Now we keep on cook down a little bit.
3 hours now, you cook that now.
Yeah, man, 3 hours now, you know. See the next half make 4.
Yeah.
Done. Yeah, butter bean and them something that go in it.
Get it back again. That one never pull up, pull up. Give them again.
It's just my life.
Yeah.
It's just my life. But just catch keynote. Love my wife from day from dawn till night. It come like my heart getter. Cut by knife. Yes, it's just my life. It's just my life. Me catch keynote. Love my wife from day from dawn till dusk till night. It come like my heart getter. Cut by knife. Yeah. She suicidal. She really al-Qaeda. This little girl, she love my friend for the bribal. The bribal. Yeah, she praise the money like an idol. And that's why every man I love my girl. And when she play, yeah, she play like a tidal. You never let it go. Never leave it on the next day.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome to Kino Life. Officially in Jamaica. Welcome, guys, to Kino Life in Jamaica. Blessed love. Boy, guys, it's been a hectic one since I've been back. It's like, I don't know what's happening, but trust me, it's like I can't stop work, you know, I can't stop working because, you know, obviously I wasn't here for the Christmas season, you know, so when I came back I have to do some lot of work inside my house. I'm still doing work, you know, I have to paint, you know that Christmas clean that you're meant to do. Yes, I never done none of that before I left Jamaica, you know, just imagine, so I was painting on my rooms, the living rooms, the kitchen, the hall, like all of this have to be getting done, you know. It's like I have to get a chance to literally like to settle down. Not even my suitcase, yeah, is not even open, not one of them. Just imagine that, you know. So I decided I'm not gonna do anything today. I'm just gonna jump out of the house, you know, because I need to go see the guys then, because since I've been here, you know, I've been working, trying to see if we can get a little thing done, because I never get anything done while I was away, you know. So I was saying I'm gonna jump out, you know, to go see the guys them, you know, because they know I'm here, you know, now. So I literally was gonna pass through Trenchtown, you know, and try to at least pass through Arbor Spice to eat something healthy, because even since I'm back, I haven't been eating anything like literally substantial that would help me out in a way. Just like nicks and knacks, because I've been working right through painting, you know. So sorry, so I'm just gonna try to give my house a new look. you know, because it's been like that for like a time now. So I'm trying to do some painting in my room, the living room, the kitchen, and the hallway, you know, on my veranda. So I have not finished as yet. So I just decided to listen. I cannot done work, you know, work without me. So I need to just take a break and just step out, get some fresh air, link up with the dream team and them, you know. So I got so much things to really do as well too. So much things to really do. I got donations to sort out, I got people to see. So if I don't try to do this, you know, I don't know where I'm gonna get it done. If I don't try to sort out my place, you know, try to clean up my house a bit, I don't know when I'm gonna get it done if I try to jump in all the work that I really have to do, you know. So I really have to try to do that first, and then after I just attend to what I meant to do, you know. And the bars them is still not here yet. Well, the bars them is on the way as well too. So I just need to just get some stuff done first for myself, for my comfort. Then I can be up and down all about and everywhere, you know. And trust me, there's still no rest for me. I don't know why I'm like a work addict. I just like, there's still no rest for me. I wake up this morning and I'm telling you, literally I could feel my whole body is just pain up, literally pain up. I'm saying, you know what, nah, I can't do anything today, you know. I'd rather come out and go see the guys them and chill for a bit, because I can't manage. There's too much to do today, like literally. So that's why I'm here jumping out, you know. So first I got my insurance to go and pay also, so I'm going to pay my insurance first, you know, because it's going to be up in 2 days time. So I'm going to pay my insurance now, then stop by Ivo Spice and then go by Churchtown, you know, go link up the guys them, you know, just go on with our vibes, you know. Because trust me, hey, it's so much for do. This is the journey, hey, trust me. It's a really long road, boy. But you know, I have to do what I have to do, you know, and I give God thanks, you know, thank the Almighty for health and strength, you know, and thank you guys. But yes, finally I'm here back home in Jamaica. Guys, I'm wearing my shades. Right now I got a little bag on in my eyes. Imagine that, you know. Can you see, look in my eyes, a bit sleepy, but yeah, because I need to like get some rest since I come back. But I can't see things and don't try to get it done. That's just me, you know. If I see anything that's undone, I want to do it first, you know. So I really need to get this work done, and then after I can just put myself out there. So guys, so yeah man, so thank you so much. So remember, please to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, you know. Remember to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't put the thumbs up as yet. I thank you so much, you know, for your support on my journey. It's nothing but love and love alone, you know. So we are here in the streets of Jamaica. So I'm gonna head to get my insurance sorted, and then I will be Ivo Spice, and then I will be in Churchtown, and then when I get home, yeah, I think I have to go finish sort out my kitchen now, and then probably do a little bit of editing, you know, for you guys to get this video. So that's my workload cut out for me now. Just guys, so stay tuned. Let me show you what I'm going in Jamaica. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, we now left, yeah. Yeah, man, banana, we now left, yeah. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, we now live, yeah. Alright guys, so I just pulled up outside Covenant Insurance, you know, we're going to get my insurance started out. And I was also greeted by
Mrs. Coleman Vic. How
Mrs.
are
Coleman.
you? To get all your life insurance with investment through me. We're at 8 Norwood Road. Right? So you come and check it out. We have so many plans and policies that you can benefit from. But Covenant is the place to be, and I will be your financial advisor. I'll take you through the process. Right? Yeah, man.
Sure, that's what she says. So she stick me up with that as a boy, you know. You need life insurance, life this and life that.
Yeah.
You know, so she's gonna surprise me. Let me see what the surprise is like, cause
Alright, I like this.
you like this, right?
Yes.
Cause I'm not really too keen with surprises, you
Yeah,
know.
but guess what? You like that surprise. Yeah,
Allah, what am I gonna say? $1 million waiting for me?
yeah man. $1 million waiting through life insurance.
Oh,
Let me take you through.
right away, in general.
Okay, so he's inside Covenant now. Yeah,
So
man.
true.
So here is the life department.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Take a look. Yeah, so you're new to this side of the building.
Oh.
So, yeah, man. So, look at the wall now.
Alright. How are you
Any
there?
familiar face?
Well, you know, when people dress up and titivate up, them look different, you know. Mr. Crystal, Mr. When I say Christine,
Crystal.
oh Crystal, you see, look how she looks so different. So different. You know, agent of the month, yeah, go on good. She's agent of the month.
Yes. So tell all your bloggers online that they need to come and do business with Crystal.
Well, you have to tell them.
Yeah, man. So we not already tell them, man. Yeah, you can contact me at 815-3744. Yeah.
Alright, that's the thing
Yeah,
there.
that's the thing, my friend.
Alright then.
Yes.
So the surprise that?
Yeah, the surprise that.
Oh, so true she get agent of the month. She'll surprise me with that. The soon me I come you get $1 million.
But it's already
allowance.
waiting for you through the policy that I'll propose for you.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
I'll be getting $1 million?
Yeah, man, and more.
Really?
Of course, millions.
Wow.
Not million, millions. Come, let's go.
Let her go on. Can get some of what you have to.
We'll talk, my friend.
Alright then. Put my number in there so you just call me.
Definitely. Definitely.
Hello.
Alright.
I'm here to see Kenisha. She's expecting me.
Alright, darling. Now call you.
Alright then. Hello. Just want to carry the whole of the foreign breeze come. Put on your jacket.
I don't know if it's cold, everybody at
Put on your jacket. Just get pinned on a while ago by Christine. You know her from next door? The policy, life insurance policy.
Christine?
Crystal.
Crystal?
Yeah.
Oh.
Some tell her, sir. Me ask Keisha about you. So guys, you know think I'm come check Kenisha where she gonna give me the best free insurance ever.
Free insurance.
Yeah. Only a Covenant you get free insurance. You know, once you be a good customer, trust me, you pay on time, you hear every year. So trust me, me hear from it. Covenant just started, so I was like the first customer saying, "Oh yeah, okay, Alright. Yeah man, this is where I get my thing done. So today's my special year. I'm gonna get free insurance for 2 years. You know, but trust me, it's not easy getting that though. You have to be a regular. You have to make sure say you come book and get your insurance with Covenant, you know. Trust me. Alright? But we can't tell them how I get my policy though.
Free insurance.
Yeah, we can't tell you guys when we get the free insurance, but we get some free insurance. But the only way you can get it, you have to come be a customer here for years. How much years? 20 years, right?
Wow.
Not so much. When you say wow, it's not so much, but you can come and get something. You get a free basket, you get a juice, yeah, something. Yeah.
Broker.
Yeah? You get something, man. You know, Kenisha, she not me, you know, she like to give away. She like to give back.
Yes, and I like to collect your money.
Yes, you hear that part there. She not miss that part at all. You know, but for this year, I miss 2025. I want to miss Ken. Cheers. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get this sorted out. You know, everything goes and jump on the road. She never know I wasn't in Jamaica, and I imagine that
Yeah,
she's too busy working, she ain't watching me anymore.
No, I watch, but most of them that I see is here. It's not overseas.
See?
Maybe I'm not watching the recent ones.
Over a month now you don't watch me.
Probably. You know, say get busy that time there. That time of the year.
That time of the year, I know, man.
It's the busiest.
So that's how I come for my cut. Because it's that time of the year when you're so busy, I go come for my piece of cake.
I have some money for you. I have about $5,000 for you.
What? $5,000? Hey, boy.
Money for you.
Hear that? She have some money for me. $5,000. Well, my New Year start well. Well, it's a welcome home back package I'm getting. $5,000. So wait, what am I do for that $5,000 there?
The valuation.
Oh gosh. Evaluation.
The valuation that you did last year, yeah. Yeah, we'll have some money for you.
Aye. But don't what going on?
The value went down.
Oh, it went down? Oh, so we get back some money. They get back some money. What, the value went up on the car?
It went down on the car.
Oh, so
Value reduced. You remember the valuation you sent to me?
yeah. So she went down and get back your money.
You get back some money. You get back a credit, yeah.
Oh guys, so yeah man. You get $5,000 free. See me tell about Covenant, you get free thing, you get $5,000 free.
Well, yeah, free. Well, yes, it's free.
Free for me because I need to put it in.
Yeah, it's free.
Ah boy. True story, this is a true story. True story, this is a true story.
My Christmas thing, fam.
Wow, where you go, man?
There's New Year's and Christmas, nothing.
Give me some lyrics,
Yeah, we learn a lyrics right now.
A long
New Year's
time.
thing more.
A long time. See, you come for the hard work. Give me some of the pay, no?
Nah, fuck. Check me next week, you get something. Next week, you get a part.
How long know you tell me that?
But me just saving when
You know,
run.
it's so no, man.
Just coming money done.
Yeah, man. I was coming money done.
Just coming money, I get some.
Yeah. I was like, give me peer drama. That's Arthur Ellis' son. That's Georgia Ellis' brother. That's Georgia Ellis' brother. That. Yeah, one tall pay.
One genius, but nice place.
Yeah, one wow, you know.
Yeah, man, genius, man. You think of running, you know, so you don't know, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Wow, if I cook no shirt.
Genius, man. That's big up yourself, you know, anyway, you're there in New York, you know.
Yeah.
You know, there, man, you see?
They say passport I look both.
Man, you tell me yes, paper already, you know, thing. You see, by next week, next
Yeah.
month, early, get it.
Boom them there.
Yeah, man, believe some good around me, you know. I'm come from America, you know.
Tall pay, you know.
One genius, man.
Oh, no, man.
Every time I walk around here, my BM people.
Yeah, man, people, I'm dig now, skin.
So you're general, I'm going up, so.
Yeah, man, see a road. For a road every day. Wow, chef.
Yeah.
Oh, man, watch you know, thing, you know, I say, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Man, every day, man. So, you know,
Cool, man.
big up people out there, you know, brother. Love, love,
Yeah. Yeah, man, the love is real, brother. The love is real.
real, man.
Wagwan!
Fish like man, she don't get scared fish.
Oh, baby.
Can't done them now, stand them come now. And then I try to finish them for her. You see?
Oh, you scared baby fish
Yeah,
then?
man, I scale them off for her, man, so we can finish them, you know.
Yeah.
Man, cause she have fish, she have fried bird food.
Yeah.
She have callaloo and starfish, she have ackee, all
Yeah.
different things. She have swims,
Yeah.
she have lobster,
Yeah.
she have fish.
Yeah.
Like God name it. And
She
I
has
try
one
one
big
thing
chicken.
me I cook right now.
She have chicken and the pork.
Yeah, man, she have chicken, but not the
Baby,
pork.
how them say you have down there? How them say you have, baby? You say you have shrimp, you have prawn. Alright, from who? Alright, from who? Oh, well, I'm gonna hide behind baby. Hold on, baby. Hide behind baby. I'll shout for. Baby, hold the door, hold the door, hold the door.
Come now, my birthday now.
Again?
Listen, you're never there when I'm my birthday and a 2-day past my birthday.
Money! Good money, 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 money!
Come now.
Money!
Just take out my dividends.
How when was your birthday?
Tell him no cousin.
Baby, when was your birthday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday gone? Or Tuesday come? Your birthday gone, you wait till next year again?
No. Take
Oh, that
camera
Tommy?
from me. No.
Oh.
Them shape alike.
So that next year again?
Give me the...
You're not saying I might have one of them.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not see I can know my one.
What do you mean I see back? I'm there back.
Buy something for my birthday.
Alright, I'm there, man. I'm so.
I know I want it on the camera.
Why not send the money for you on the camera?
Yeah.
No, I want them sister me I get it for my birthday.
Your birthday gone.
Yeah.
Oh, me not get it for my birthday.
Yeah.
Oh, me not get it for my
Exactly.
birthday. Oh, me not get it for my birthday. My birthday gone.
Yeah? Different.
You don't know.
The barrel or something. Remember me not get nothing out of barrel.
You know, I give him, but not on camera. I give off camera.
Turn the camera for her.
Don't give her.
Don't give her. Yeah, alright. The baby are different. I'm give her a birthday present. Well, I'm stay for my car. If I find it, I come up with $50. Wait no.
What's wrong?
Maybe I do it $50.
I mean, I got to do no appreciate no man.
$50.
You take 50 and buy 3 sweet here, feed them a
Don't sell sweet.
Where you
Don't
sell?
sell sweet.
So where you sell? Where you sell? You don't know the people can do.
Sell ice cream and it's $3,000 for a box of ice cream. So with that say, I don't sell sweet.
Buy yourself a cup cream.
No, yourself be
Buy yourself a cup cream now.
Listen, a lot of I don't eat cream.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. On behalf of... On behalf...
Stand up too?
Yeah. Come, stand up. Come. On behalf of the half of.
On behalf of Tina, fresh off of the ice.
Yeah.
This as a birthday gift.
Yeah.
And buy a box of ice cream.
Yeah.
In the shop. You can get about 5 pack of hot dog bread.
Yeah.
So in the nasty, see right, Moya. 1, 2, 3.
But the people that look just to see me, you want to swap?
Yeah, that's no.
Swap. Baby, get the $50 and take back that.
No.
Take back that.
So now I'm going to say thank you, Tina, for this lovely $5,000 for my birthday. I appreciate it so much. I didn't want a $50 because I can't do nothing right now.
Then look the same.
Yeah, but I didn't want that.
You couldn't get guys at 50 US, you done nothing.
Exactly.
Oh, we never know. Take it back.
Exactly. You see, no patient, nothing. So you lose out, no problem.
You satisfied with that side there. God bless you, your Kino.
No problem.
Have a nice evening. You look nice off of the eyes. Thank you very much. I'm going up here to purchase something nice to eat. You have seafood once?
Of course, you have to spend it back down here.
Sure. How much is it?
Just $1,000.
$1,000. So you can collect now?
Yeah, and I will send it up with the change.
Yeah, you want to keep
Wait
it.
too long enough.
No, baby,
I
love.
want egg.
I can get everything.
I don't want a lot of crab in there.
Okay, no worry. I'm going to give you 2 eggs.
3 egg and
Aye.
mashed potato and the franks.
Aye.
So that's about 2 grand.
No.
2 grand that though, yeah, 2 grand. 2 grand and done, man. Spend 2 grand done,
Corn
man.
and them something.
Alright, I'm nice.
Spend 2 grand and done, man.
Yeah, soon.
520 more.
Alright then, take care.
Thank you, Kino.
Drive safe.
Y'all.
Alright, bye. Faith.
I can't start with fried bread.
Wow, chef. Show up, boom now.
Wow.
Baby, what go on?
Yeah, go on.
Stay back in that place, you know, sit there with them.
For
We're going to freeze off and come back.
I'm never going to for so long yet.
Allah, you go away for longer.
No.
You don't go away for a month then?
No.
And couple days.
No, I really like foreign now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Actually, I like the cold. I run in the cold.
You
know
like
the
cold?
Yeah, no cold is my thing, man.
Afraid of cold.
Run out of the sun and come back. You know, breeze out. So we say, what can see sit down there?
No, you don't know, say you come too late. I mean, the sun calm meal, it's done.
So baby never smell me.
No. I think a while ago, I say, you know, say, I see Kina say bye bye and know I can't see him reach us so.
Exactly.
And then look through so I see the car and I say, your boss reach you know, I say, yeah.
And I tell them say we don't deal with boss.
Yeah.
We don't deal with
So me I
boss.
say and then I come out and I say, I don't know if I come up.
I
Don't know.
I
One
walk.
team,
A dream team. You know
only team.
How they are back in the building.
Yeah.
There it goes already. But we can't believe people don't leave no swim around for me. No
I
swim
can't
around.
saltfish with fried bread.
Remember the saltfish we not
Oh
go.
yeah, you know go the saltfish.
We not go the saltfish at all. Well, we can make our chef wiggle up something. Wiggle. You know, our chef style already. You can wiggle up something.
Boomer see one over I'm sure last.
Booba Giant
Put on
man.
your clothes.
Wait there, so boom, it brush off fire too.
Yeah,
The ice out.
yeah, he tell me that car is so hot to come from work, you know.
Yeah, the ice. Alright then. Yeah, the ice out. One wow, you know?
Yes,
They say wow,
Man,
them,
let me know on the shirt, you know, but it don't know sugar, you know.
you know?
Yes, man. Just there, I'm going to hold it out, you know. Yeah, man.
One wow chef, I see the ladies them a request, you know?
Yeah, man.
You see how one from way out, I say, yo, wow chef, me I come down for married, yo.
Say, no, yo, see that girl will be here, say that.
Yeah.
I love to see her come on married her too, you know.
How you mean?
Yes, straight.
But you
See what I
say it's not New York, the thing there, at Orlando.
Orlando.
Yeah.
Anywhere in America, I'm thing them, man. I know what I say. Anywhere in America, the thing there. Yeah, man. That's my place. Yes, me I say.
Yeah.
Orlando, nice place, stable. Come watch them. No.
Yeah.
Only for thing, mama.
And the one,
They are free, man.
I'm booming the building, you know? Rasta messy with them, say, yo, always there.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Everybody.
They say you have your passport already?
No, I'm not have it. But the farm full of fine now.
So we have to get that sort out as well, you know. So you know, so you don't have to have no thing up and running. They will say, yo, Caribbean, we just jump on the flag and over. You know?
Yeah, see, me I say. Come like a New York, I will drop a Caribbean island, see him wait.
Aye.
See him, you see me? Everything I get lined up, man, so no worry yourself, man. They come when I go see it, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man.
Book your line in it.
Bookie line it up.
Man, I just the farm, no forget.
Talpi having visa already. I Talpi having passport already. See it there? Talpi in a H Talpi make sure film one line up
Yes,
already. So when they say yo movements
Yeah, man, that come, man.
like job people.
Yeah, man, we have the latest, you know.
The latest one.
Man, we have the latest passport, man, you know. Yeah, man, so that's it. That's the snow park.
I say,
Yeah, man.
if I grab the latest passport.
Yeah, man, we have the latest one. I say, you can bring you New York, you can be in Europe, anywhere you want to go.
Yeah.
So, yeah, man. It, you know.
You know.
Yeah, man.
And it's a bar them ship off and thing.
Yeah.
You know, we have some stuff as well to go. But from I come, I pay work me I do at home.
Straight. Right.
Yeah, from I come for 2 days, I must go and clean up my house and then good thing there. You see me, so you know, say, buy the forward. You see the thing them? You know, see the bar?
Yeah, man, see them for where them, man. I have phone of people telling me about being
You know, see the bar them? One light box. Richest youth.
No man, are you rich kid?
See something there, man. That's how the money keep, you know.
No man, nothing like no tempting, no man. One thing,
You know?
dream thing.
Too long, man. Them see the amount of shoes them were lying off. One yeah. Barney Bob. And I say, yo, what go on?
Yeah, man, see what you know.
Nice.
Well, like the ice out. Ice out for the years already. On Barney. Just a come and fight. Eh? Yeah. Fresh. Cool, man.
Roll left
Yeah.
the cool.
No, the cool road left me. Cool afraid of me, you know. Because the cool knows I'm not back from it at all. Yeah, there we have some stuff that come in, man. 5 barrel. 5 barrel of forward in as well, you know. I'm telling you, we have a whole lot of people for big up. You know, a lot. We have we have the R Love t-shirt that are coming in, you know, Radar R Love. You know, remember the R
I
Love?
love radar, them
Yeah.
yo, I'm a general lot, you know.
Yeah.
One general lot, you know.
Alright.
Big up in the all over, man, no radar, you know.
Cooler, man.
No stuff, man. One thing, blessing is it.
Yeah.
You want to shave out one.
Big up all over. I tell you, so we have Corey.
Yeah, man.
A little girl, watch the program, so
Yeah.
Corey's, you know, and our father. Chicken thief.
Good day, blessings.
Mhm.
I made a crap the place.
Can't fit you? No, Life Park said no.
Like, you know, I'm not like you ever
You
fight.
say your foot too big. It's foot too big.
Ever fight.
Yo, oh chef.
Yeah, man.
You see some of the cookings where say cooler runnings are going in.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Some never start cooking in the kitchen, you know.
Yeah, man.
What? Cooler run. The man of some decent food, me I tell you.
Cooler runnings.
Yeah.
You know, more on the book, you know. I know I'm going to put on the book, enough more leaf left for go in, you know.
Yeah.
So I say,
Mm-hmm.
enough love, only for blessing, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, correct.
Yeah, man. We have to big up cooler runnings as well, too, you know.
Enough love, only for blessing, and love, you know.
Mm-hmm. Tell them so when you want the healthy eating, you have to go and check out cooler runnings.
Cooler
You know,
runnings, boy,
the man they make a porridge, them I tell you, see the porridge is different.
Cooler runnings, and them things them want to drink, you know, some porridge.
Yeah.
For 2-3 years, they drink porridge, you know. You know, cooler runnings, there, man. Leave, yeah, man. Porridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, need porridge in my system, you know. Need porridge, cooler runnings.
Yeah, man, guys, them are for big up cooler runnings every time, you know. Nothing but love, you know, cooler runnings.
Every time, cool.
Yeah. I'm say that him is an excellent family, new on board, and the man say I'm gonna do some great work down here with you as well. You know, so Corey's as well too. You know, we have the next restaurant. Yo, a lot of people are looking at what things there, you know. Now I was telling them, yo, whole heap of important people. No joke. You know, a lot. All Wayne, big up on the stand. Nicky Touch of Beauty. Yo, there's so much name for call. Yeah, now Roger wife, man.
Touch of beauty.
I'm not sure how them go on the road and pack
Winston, big up in the
Yeah.
Winston.
Sandra. We have Sandra and all. Yo, there's a lot of people. There's so many names to call, you know.
Pablo J.
Oh, go on. My best friend is okay?
Yes,
Yeah?
she draw a little picture of here, you know.
Yeah.
And I don't know where did it. I put it. I don't know because she was asking, Mommy,
I want to
when
cuss
is
you.
my best friend's birthday? And I said to her, don't ask me, go and ask Esther. I don't know when is the best friend's birthday.
Hey.
Mommy, when I see Kino, I will ask Kino myself.
Oh.
I don't know where is it, Kino. You have to tell her
I
drop.
want to see her back. Yeah, my best friend. Who that? One Sam's in the building. Yeah, who I go out with that car there? Sam's. What go on? How your shirt looks up? What go on? If you tied it over here so your shirt walk me here, so what go on? You just a come from school? So put in the pocket in Sam's here, so. You mean you broke? You ever save money? Bless her, this ready for her? What that, fish balls?
No. Egg and crab and sausage, corn, potato.
Whoa. It's like, yeah. It's like, baby, I'm a seafood specialist. So this is how you put on your gloves and you just feel seen, right? Okay, lad.
I want to come and get mine, right?
Oh man, that brush off already. That brush off already. Key gun?
Yeah, you know.
Put on some plum in work. And an orange or plum. No orange. Plum. And we have Jackson in the building.
Yeah.
Why?
Why, yeah? Yeah.
That's the Jackson there.
Every time, bro.
Every time, you know the thing goes on. Every time.
Everything nice and smooth.
Yes.
Yes.
Well smooth with the back, I roll through there and trench town, rolling through the zinc fences. The place where them call the trenches.
Yeah.
You know?
Backyard them.
Backyard. The backyard. You see. Watch the shit, 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 watch the shit. Where I go on? Cool? Big up, big up. Watch out, watch out. There's a missile, one of them just in the yard. Yeah.
We'll come and carry that. We'll come and carry that.
So come and carry them.
Me tell them on them right from the corner there. I can't believe it.
Smile them.
Welcome back to the island.
Oh, we didn't get them on the island. So come on your doorstep, man. Hey, fever over there.
Yo, big up man.
Big up.
Coaching up, yeah, afraid of the people.
Yeah.
Look, not afraid of come down.
Yeah.
Hear him now, boy. Hear him now. Hear him now, star, boy. Yeah, hear him now, boy. You go put on back, look up.
Okay, I saw that.
Me say you not see star. Hear him now, West Star. Let me show him you. Hear him now, star. Go put on back, look up video. Ah man, you want to go before you.
Okay, I bet carry them.
Yeah.
There, man. Pick up yourself. I mean,
I remember we sit there at the side.
cool man. Remember some years a year lane when you pass, you not remember me.
And when I pass, I'm going to go 7 feet. I'm a far rider.
Yeah.
Put me on motion.
Yeah. Cool man. I watch it. I bring us. Yeah, bring us where your license there. Give me a license, mate. Okay, where your license there. Smile them, no wild them, you know. Smile them, no bother wild them. Say, you know her as well, too. Oh, the original Black Star. You started by I night.
One eye look fine.
Yeah, one eye look, you know. There up on the block, you know. Yeah.
There up on the block, man. You watch it. Hey, and I'm tell the girl that tell him to.
Yeah, man.
It's him can tell you everything.
Start tell me everything what I want. I used to start from create, you know.
Yeah, man. Girl.
We don't really create history yet, you know, because we don't go yet. So it's a move. Them tell me we have create history.
Come on.
Yeah, man. See, that's the father star. Big up.
One history. Original history, man, them, you know.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, you know.
Yeah, man, fully. Yeah, man. Lot of name, you know.
So you go start say Panama.
Ooh, Panama.
Yeah. One poison. One poison. What them say? Why put the trimming at the head?
Sorry, not head. Same side go.
Yeah.
Life is set. Nothing about that. Cause the way put the style in the
head.
Whether you're ball or dread.
Yeah. I have to start it because you have 2 artists that say, you know.
You see, I got deal with it. I give it him express.
Yeah.
Line up, is it? Don't know so it's set.
But give them one before you leave.
Yeah, you see I have to lick a piece of tune before you leave. Alright. I want to go to a long time tune in a way, you know. This is the barber clash. Barber clash. Tell the whole of them about the barber clash. Showing the Kingston barber and the town barber clash. You know, say, you know, trimming business, serious thing that got some little barber go once that him got him leave now a new razor. I don't like what I tell you. Barber clash. Barber clash. Barber clash. We have to tell the whole of them about the what's that? You tell that some man coming to my barber shop and him hold a seat and all the wickedest that. And when me done trim him say him don't got no catch, me just cool. Me just settle and quiet. Cause you see next week, anytime him come back, me just give him a trim and make him living at the barber.
Yeah. I said give him a trim, make him living at Pop. One Van Ras. Van Ross, this Van Ross they here, and Van Ross is here. And better drugs. Them talk about the drugs, it's the Jews drugs. I'm saying Lord evil.
Drugs them are here.
Yes. And it's the music drug they're talking about. Right, Van Ross?
That is it.
Your pies just give with the barber clash. Barber clash? Barber clash. Tell the whole of them about the barber clash.
Hey, girl, I love you same way. I love for you, it can't change, babe. I know you are my savior, although you got me, know you can hear me. For the girls, them, girl, you was the best thing I ever had. You never make me hurt, me never make me mad. Although you do things not worth it, and me never sad. Yeah, the life we did, I live, me did know we glad. In my life, me get tight.
And
One Dream Team, better just represented for the One Dream Team.
Yeah.
You know the real team.
Yeah.
Kino team.
yeah.
You know we never go past team. You hear that?
Yeah.
Every day we flash team.
Yeah.
You know what say that we flash Jim? No love, yeah? One love, one.
Van Ross.
One.
Van Ross.
Yeah, man, I want to
Big up,
rest
brother.
now, you know what I mean? One dream team, one team, one
New
team,
piece
one
of the new thing, the van, man.
Yeah.
You know we have it, man. Piece of
Try to make the world happy, my girl happy. For nearly murder way, from burglary, throw me in a hurt away, 1/3 away. That's why we never left in metal. Anyway we step, go trouble step from. The bus the zigzag with the John. Mount a friend we have, but we see they gone. It make we go through depression. Every minute, every hour, every second. Where you tell the right, not tell the left hand. No time I feel like say for boss it like we had gone. Fred Band, we are go through depression. Every minute, every hour, every second. Where you tell the right, not tell the left hand. No time I feel like say for boss it like we had gone. Fred Band.
Gone.
one team, you know.
Hey, gone. Moon. Where's my cake? Should I come back to my
Let
cake?
me give them one more. Come.
Yeah.
Catch me now.
Yeah.
One more, you know what
I'm on more.
You hear that?
friend.
Watch them.
Yeah.
Let them sit.
Yeah. Yo, love my wife. Love my wife.
Say them my friend, and them not like you.
You good thing you do, them want call by no
Want fight, then at the dark and them now want highlight you.
Yeah, everything you do, them say them want to fight.
Say them my friend, can't know them no real. Do a look a thing and them a hate your meal. Them would love to see you dirty, them now want you clean, and them now want you see your vision,
Hey,
you reach your
Jim,
dream.
some boy a go like them original, but we see where them a go with a friend. Them want style like them think them man bar with. Don't we knock off like them fist some.
One thing, that good thing mama say for watch your friend. Them all up with that say them are your friend and them see them wanna envy you. Make a look of money gunman, them a send for you. Make a bag of talk, bullet in a head for you. Copper and lead for you. Send me some dead for your friend. And them not like you. Simple look thing you do, them want car buy, they want Friday in the dark and them no want highlight you. Every look thing you do, them want for fight, say them a friend. Better just them not real. Do a look thing and them a hate you meal. Them would love to see you dirty, them no want you clean. And them no want you see your vision, for you reach your dream.
Yeah, the father want me eyes and me see you eye. Me make a money and them still want for pre-mine. Them are dirty and them don't have no clean mind. Never do them nothing and them don't want to eat.
Them say for always watch your enemies, but we always watch your friends. That's why we watch your friends. Cause enough of them are ends. The same man where you want him a sit down on the ends. Want kill you for your HQ, I murder you for NSC's friend. And them not like you. Simple look at thing you do, them walk out by them on Friday. Now the dark and them no want I like you.
Yeah.
Jane team, say them my friend. Hey, Jane team.
Them not real.
Hey, you do a look at thing and them a hate me. Them would love to see you dirty, them no want you clean. And them no want you see your vision for you reach your dream.
Friend, hey, Chunks, look like you want to give something, you know.
No, me not me can't DJ, me can't do nothing.
Yeah.
I say, yeah, but
Yeah.
tell every man that we can't. Yeah, go on,
okay.
yeah, look for energy same way, but me not the type of man.
Yeah.
DJ and no.
Yeah. Yeah, give them two lyrics, so.
My lyrics them can't work it, but big up with you.
Canada they like Shave Man, Fabian and
Yeah.
Paul and the whole family.
Yeah.
Stars, big up.
Big
Dream
up.
team run. See.
Yes, all the way from Canada.
50,000 years to my father, much, yeah? You know, say they say father that, you hear that?
Yeah, all the way from
You know the US?
yeah, the US from the US, all the way from Canada and the US.
Them know who is the US.
Oh, go on. Bala.
This chicken head got me feeling bad. You where the sit and get me steaming mad. Hey, say I wish you love and everybody she a touch for me like she praise the devil, no believe in God, yeah. This batter's got me steaming mad, yeah. You where the sit and get me feeling bad. Hey, say I wish you love and everybody she a touch for me like she praise the devil, no believe in God, yeah. But from me get her, she never want me left her. A pretty face mash up my mess, they make me dead her. That girl a wicked, come like the devil make her. And me go soft when you know me show the petar. It's like a bet in a life show I'm a setter. With big house, pan land with fancy car. And me no set my mother yet, I want take her. Me yard toes to empty box nearly there far.
One new thing.
Young
Girl, I love you the same way. My love for you, it can't change, babe.
No.
You know you are my savior. Although you got me, no, you can hear me. Hey, Jinky. Girl, you was the best thing I ever had. You never make me hurt, me never make me mad. I do you do things that hurt it and me never sad. Yeah, the life you did I live, me didn't know we glad. In my life you get a you like me. Me did a treat up, full and real. That is for the love, the life you live. But me sacrifice everything. Girl, you was the one I really checked. Hospital and tell you I never can make it better. Them wash you in a kid and treat you well, but I can't tell me you gone that make me well, man. Just my
It's
life.
just my life,
Yeah.
just my life. Me just catch keynote. Love my wife from day from dawn till just till night. It come like my heart better. Cut by knife, yes, just my life. Touch my life,
Yeah.
Catch dream team. I love my wife from day from dawn till dusk till night. It come like my heart getter. Cut by knife, yeah. She touch drugs, find out she
Laser force. Yeah,
Catch it back again. That one never pull up, pull up. Get him again.
It's just my life.
Yeah.
It's just my life. Me just catch keynote. Love my wife from day from dawn till dusk till night. It come like my heart getter. Cut by knife. Yes, it's just my life. It's just my life. Me catch keynote. Love my wife from day from dawn till dusk till night. It come like my heart getter. Cut by knife. Yeah. She suicidal. She really al-Qaeda. This little girl, she love my friend for the bribal. The bribal, yeah, she praise the money like an idol. And that's why every man I love my girl. And when she play, yeah, she play like a tidal. Money and a jump like revival. Me tell her say that girl is suicidal. Tell her say that chick is al-Qaeda. That's why me say it's just my life.
fully bad artist them there, yeah?
Yeah, well,
One
man.
big team there, yeah?
One of the players.
Yeah.
Bam bam bale, what a hell, bam bale, la lam bam bale. A gal a tell me and me she want married, and she a walk with the cucumber forehead, and she a say she want me live in her cottage. She like me, but she love the ras cabbage. That gal a think man soft like oats porridge, man a rough like the dread them call massive. 1,000 man park up in our passage. Our passage it all cause a road blockage. But a what a lam bam bale, what a hell, bam bale.
Hey, say yo, what a 1,000 man in our passage. We at the light parks. That is a cottage. The one there's a cottage. Yeah, man, one ras, you know. All right, go on, you know. Brother, say I'll give you a song. Give one there. Give us something there.
They might watch I, but I now watch them.
Yeah.
They must sit down and turn Jezebel. Some of them can't read a spell, but all of them do they must sit down and a well.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, I'm a godfather. Yeah, from them season, I'm a godfather.
Yeah.
Boss made a road and boss made a broad, yeah.
Alright.
Watch it.
I'm a godfather.
We not kill nobody, cause all we think about money and woman and house and land.
Yeah.
Yeah, think about care and fun. Make a family, man, live happy and street vibes there, the dream team there. Everything where we do this soon, where we man. Come in.
Then I use an Englishman. Then them turn carry them. Watch it. Them are watching, but him now watch them.
No.
Them can't stop him, kind not stop them.
Because
Them can't drop him, kind gone at them.
got him can't read and the world them sit down and him a go down my hell. Going on.
Me, I'm a general, they are my friend. Hey, you are my father from long time.
They are just so. You something now? You something now, man. Lord evil.
Yeah, give them money, I jokes, daddy. Me did it today, me don't give them.
I'm not giving no song yet.
Number one that
What?
Number one that
You pack it up long time. Whoa!
Yo!
Whoa!
Name him number.
What are you? Whoa!
The pork, no, the pork in the genus, you know, it's that cow skin and tripe.
Cow skin and
Yeah, tripe. Cow skin, so I should have not butter bean. You know?
Oh, chef, they have the cow skin and not stripe, you know. Tripe.
Tripe, yeah. The cow skin and tripe.
Yeah.
Yo!
Cow skin and stripe.
yeah, everything is
You
close.
see that? The people.
Yeah.
I get soft and you see it?
A 3 hour is a pressure for you now.
Yeah, man, see cow skin there. From 4 o'clock it start pressure, you know.
And I what time now? 7 o'clock.
So 7 o'clock now, you know.
Still that pressure.
And close,
You see that? Whoa, what you see?
like sponge.
I tell you, man.
It's like sponge, you know what I mean? The sponge drop will make you
I'm
done.
not starting up the other people because the seeds up in the onion and pepper and really night.
No guy like
And the butter bean the garlic night here.
Yeah.
No
See?
brother.
Yeah, so you know, try, you know, that we keep on cook down a little bit.
3 hours now, you cook that now.
Yeah,
chef,
man, 3 hours now, you know. See the next half make 4.
Yeah.
Done. Yeah, butter bean and them something that go in it and you see that I said? Every look at
I see
this.
a top chef there, so shot card.
Yeah.
You hear that? When we put them out, them say plat card. Yeah, because them don't know say a drugs man and they'll pay there in the backyard. Yeah. And I will run the whole flanker. And straight back down to Junior. Yeah. Big up Alice and Junior Lataya, because you don't know say a first class flight. Champagne pop.
Pop! Oh, chef, I don't understand all that took so long, sir.
Water they put in the rice.
Yeah.
Water, you know. So but not
Hot already.
it a cook so long.
Yeah.
But should I drop a rusty nail night, me I tell people. A soft nail, because they drop rusty nail and something get soft.
You know you never put the nail.
Yeah, I know.
You don't fling a bracket green papa in it.
Same thing.
You gone and
Same thing.
Papa?
Yeah man.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Enemy.
Green. Yeah, man.
Cow skin.
Yeah.
Cow foot.
Yeah.
Cow head. Anything. We just peel 2 green papa and cut him up and throw him pan him and gone
And
and
he cook them.
Yeah, cook them.
more.
Yeah, man, so
So you do a big bone you get.
part 1 this and so get part 2 because it's a rice done simmer and everything. Give them pepper, I look at it and cut them up.
Yeah.
You see? Yeah, so I'm going to forget carrot and them look at things of a salad.
Yo, a 3 hour hard no.
3 hours now that cook.
Really, I cook down that cow skin. I tried there. Cow skin and tried 3 hours and I know it's here already.
Yeah, done it. Get it, you know?
Yo, guys, you know the thing already. We're back here. You know what I'm saying? This is the kitchen here. We're gonna finish up this as well, you know. We got the window and already, so we're gonna paint up and fix up CNN so we can get back to start cook as well for the elders them up and running.
Up and running for the elders. Yeah, man, because a long time we don't do nothing for the elders, them, you know. Yeah, man, we don't go now. There, see where people, man. There, man. So we try to economize certain things for it. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. No, yeah. Twice, you know.
Twice, not once but twice.
Twice, you know.
Not once but twice. We're back home where everything vibe and the place is nice. You know, it's nothing but love. We're here again. Imagine when they see Jackson on the plane.
The girl them gonna have 5
Imagine when they see Jackson on the plane. Imagine when them see Rasta Jackson on the plane.
When we living on a jet plane, don't know when I will back again. Okay, we and smile for we, and tell we that you wait for we, and all we like you never let it go. I'm dreaming.
Jackson, pull up that one again. Pull up that Jackson, pull up the one there again, Jackson. It's a boom. One day you will fly on the plane. Jackson, tell him again what you dream about the plane.
Where we living on a jet plane. I don't know when I will back again. Because we I smile for we. I tell we that you wait for me. All we like you, never let you go. So we're living on the next plane. I don't know when I will back again.
This will make every white people laugh.
I'm leaving on the next plane. I don't know when I will back again. Kiss me and smile for me. All we that you wait for me. And all we like you, never let me go.
White and black.
I'm leaving on the next plane. I don't know when I will back again. Kiss we and smile for we. Tell we that you wait for we. And all we like you, never let me go. We are the one. Team and Kenya, we
are the one.
They never know we full and stand and pop up down. And anywhere we go, yes, they wait we are the one. The whole of we together, we are dream team one. And everything we do it as one. And Kenya, they are in the future.
One Jackson, why? Yeah, why? So we dreaming
on the jet plane. We don't know when I will back again. In case we and smile for we. And tell we that you wait for we. All we like you, never let you go. White people, all we leaving on the next plane. I don't know when I will back again. Guess we and smile for we. And tell we that you wait for we. And all we like you, never let we go. Yeah, they want team there, yeah, we are the two champion. Yeah, every goal, and you have every as the one. As a cookie, you know, you want the real start done. And then the real appears later as one. And what are we together, get on the as one. Anything we talk
as one.
Anything we do
it as one.
Anything we
say it as one.
And we can't know that you are
as one. Overstar.
Oh, we have this.
On the next plane. Come here. You know? The man them leaving to Panama on the next plane.
One star.
I number one that. I want to got that one gone. That one gone.
I'm afraid of him there. Yeah.
Get one of them. I don't know. Which one of them right here?
Anything.
Mariah Carey or Janet Jackson? No, you know them. Which one are you?
So you seen them live in living colors.
Okay, yeah. Straight.
Live in living colors.
Give them. Give them anything. Remember, you know, stuff from writers to Shia Rocco. And I tell you something.
Naya Rocco.
You say we starting all over again. Yet it is one. We gonna make it. Oh, yeah.
We started all over again.
It is rough. So we gotta make it.
We start it all over again. It's gonna be rough. Rough. So rough. Hey, we're gonna make it. What was that? We start it all over again. It's gonna be rough.
Rough jokes, man.
So rough. But we gonna make it. We start it all over again. It's gonna be tough, so rough. We gonna make it. Alright. The Jacksons, we are tell them again. It's gonna be hard. Hey. So we pray that the Lord will help us make it. Again and again. We start it all over again. It's gonna be rough. But we gonna make it. Right up again. Start it all over again. It's gonna be come on. Hey, we gonna make it. Start it all over again. We're gonna be rough. So we pray that the Lord that we gonna make it. Good things we know and good things that we have. Oh yeah, along the way, and people know. But we know dreams we gonna make it. We gonna be there. Yes, we Give me New Year laugh, the New Year laugh, the New Year laugh, Run out of breath, hey, run out of breath, I mean I'll start singing. Been so long, been so long, extended family haven't seen my face. I've been striving for my food, trying to sell it some toothpaste. And just can't stop see my face. Can't get me out of the rain. Here say, cover yourself. Yeah, say more film forward. Yes, guys, it's good to be back home, you know, with the family and the team, you know, it goes there in one team, you know, there go all our vibes, you know, it goes there. It's a regular night, it's a regular day, it's a regular thing, you know, when the team is out holding a band, as usual, you know. Worship in the kitchen, I cook the tripod being a no can't ready yet.
I tell you, 4 hours I go, you know. You can just throw some water upon the CC box, and the last cook down this, so we get mild, you know.
So within the last hour then.
And the water bean, never look on it now. You see it? Yeah. So water bean on it now and get it mildly. You see that, Shanka?
So in the last hour. So guys, I'm in the last hour right now.
The last hour now.
3.5 hours.
Oh yeah.
I'm in the last half an hour.
So
4 hours.
I get 7 o'clock.
7
o'clock me I give. Now they have to party and I feel nice and I do a thing.
Yeah.
When I'm ready for more here. Listen.
Guys, worship been cooking a long time. Tum tudum. 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 Tudum tudum. Tum tudum. Tum tudum. Tum tudum. Tum tudum.
I don't tell me that you me I will all my vibe and me and not really the cool them. I mean, I drink some liquor. Big up the table in the club. I mean, say dream, they are in my. I mean, I want y'all to make sense. I will over the same. We are drink on the floor, and we are the girl. Them a look and a look, son. And they love drinking. And that's not gonna how it go. I want to know how we make them.
The lyrics is flowing. The tripe and bean is cooking for too long.
Yeah, man, I should know. See that?
The tripe and bean is cooking for too long.
I learned the season up yet, you know. See that? I learned the season up yet. I get my pepper and I get my carrot. See me I said, this is what I want for the pot. Oh, no. See that?
Well, the rice pot.
See that? See the people? See that? Yeah, man, the rice is a cook down with it, you know. No matter what you yellow, it's a Jamaica color, this, you know, yellow. Yeah, man, the butter, color that, you know, the butter. See me I say?
The butter, that.
Yeah, have it done, steam and everything, just get a nice look of flavor. Yeah. Soft look of flavor. See me I say, see you know, ready, man.
Yeah, we're not lying.
See you, watch it. Whoa, watch it, boy, watch it. Look there, watch it.
Well, that boy for a long time.
Watch it, look there. Wow, watch it. See the man come up there. Yeah, man, wait now. Watch it, see the man come up there.
Yeah.
See the man come up there.
It's soft and tender now.
Watch it. See the man come up there. These are the problem, people. See the cow skin. See that? These are the problems. See that? So that's why I get it mildly right now. That come, man. Yeah. See that come. Yeah, man. See that come, man. Yeah, man. Watch it. See that come up now.
Yeah.
You know.
Yes, I'm going to try it. Gummy.
Yeah, man. Look a bit more tender. Look a bit more.
So you need another hour then, wow, chef?
No, I'm going to get half an hour. Okay, I'm going to keep going sharp for
that's 4 hours. You have cooked that for 4 hours.
Where are the shoes? Because you have the cow skin. That shoes are in here.
4 hours, wow, chef.
Go on, look a bit more. Look a bit more. Look a bit more.
Oh, man, you have 4 hours the man I cook that for. That's not real. 4 hours.
Because you know, you make the thing work on the corner.
Yeah.
You make the thing work on the corner, you know, so when you come on the corner nice. Although the police have soon come tell us if you come out with the road, because we're on a curfew, but we're on a red zone.
We're all in a vibe.
But we still have a whole of vibes, because Kingdom there. The straight man there, we keep the thing going. Everybody see me in a taxi, and a man say, dream team, yo. So yeah, man, you know, you just see you on the dream team, you see you all the while. Yeah. We are coming in our taxi, we are in the bed, and no man say, I won't shake that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Every day we have people up on the road, man. We show them love.
Yeah.
Deal with them good. See them way. It's old people deal with us, so deal with people, man. Man, I can't tell you. Every day up on the road, man. Yeah, man. So, in a change, nothing change.
Yeah.
In a gone nowhere. You see?
Yeah,
same way. So soon as store starts, a different thing. Yeah.
It's going to work again. The subscriber, them and all the people and the extended family, we're going to make it work. We are going to keep it going. For honor, not for yourself alone, for honor. Yeah, we're going to keep it going for everyone and every two and every three.
Yeah. It's like coming here with Elder sell the cartoon. We say, our own name we Dream Team. Oh, well they say it then. Dream Team. Which boy can hold note like Pfizer? Can make it work. We have to come together and make it work. Anywhere in the world with them, remember, Dream Team. Anybody can hold no longer me want to show me them on the internet. Okay? I'm name Pfizer.
The left, the right, and the left, or the left and the right. I keep on giving a name then.
Yeah.
The left and the right.
Look at the left and the right, you know.
Always I come to the left and the right. No matter where me I come from or where me there.
Yeah.
You know, say red, they come to the left and the right. We have to make it work.
Of course.
That is it.
All the time.
We love the thing, and we love the people, and we see it, and watch it all over the world. And say them youth there. And some great youth.
What's the guys doing? The run going right now, you know that is that time. The run going. Do some work. Whoa!
Yeah, walk on.
Oh, now I lift the pot, you know.
Yeah, ready for pot.
Yeah, the pot.
Yeah, man.
4 hour pot until we can't wait that long.
Oh, right there, final. That's me I say. That one cooking down, man. And final cooking it again, man.
So it'll be 4.5.
Yeah. So I can go and simmer down to the bottom, then come up so. I see meat more than the gravy, so I can't just come to that, you know. So the rice is simmer down there, you know.
Yo, guys, now we're at the pot, yeah.
See look at you see that?
Oh, it's rice ready?
Yeah, man. You know. Rice ready up. You see me I say?
Come try and
Bean, you know. A bean now, so I just go to Joe and just take a next bean from Joe. You see me?
Oh, she put her thing going on, so tomorrow.
Tomorrow, link up with the junior.
Yeah.
We get to my grand dog and deal.
Yeah, man, so let's set them guys, so anything goes up. I want to hear from you.
Christina, man.
Life, I have done.
Yeah, man, I'm going to pray again. I want to set up myself, Tina. I hear Christmas here, but I say, why they been out firing?
Yeah, man, just come back, man. Right.
I'm big, yeah, that big one. Alright, now we got it. So that, a long time, no see. And you have big steamers, man. I want to name triple tail.
Triple tail.
Yeah. Oh, she? Is she rich? Any woman for rich, yeah, to meet a rich man, she have to be rich too, you know. Rich man the power in a in a major league. You must be mad. You know? Rich man in a minor league. You have been in a big league. How the fuck do them girls? Because they are like a pussy. No,
Everything done out of that.
yeah, man, everything done out of that. Everything done out of that comfort.
Get my regular steam, man. You have soap?
Yeah, man.
Get one small soap to that.
Alright. Sorry about that.
So it done.
I get too crap, dumb crap.
Reach here late.
Yeah. I'm not late, you know. A little crowd come down for me and everything when I did prepare. Yes, sir. So I have to rewind it again, you know?
Yeah.
It's a long time, that's it, you know. Okay.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.